Hello and welcome to Chart of the Day Cafe for Thursday, February 8th, 2018. Trading stocks is a high level of risk and viewers should complete their own due diligence on any stock or underlying that they intend to own. 100% of the content of this video and communique is intended for journalistic and educational purposes only. This video and all indicators, strategies, and articles herein should not be construed as investment advice, not making any recommendations, always for your further homework. Good morning, Sue here. Hope you've had a good week so far. Certainly an interesting one in the markets with all sorts of price gyrations going on. Overnight, the futures went from down, I think it was over 200 to positive now. So it's going to be an interesting day. Hard to call, but we'll watch and see. So if you're familiar with me in my videos, you know I always start off with a look at the Russell Index, and for that I use the IWM, which is the ETF that represents the Russell 2000. I use the Russell as my simple proxy for the markets overall. As long as the Russell's moving higher, I'm adding new names to my watch list, and when it's moving lower, I'm just sitting tight. I use multiple time frames, and I love to start off with the monthly chart. So we're looking at the 5-year monthly chart for the IWM, the Russell Index. And I also use this blue line as my guide, which is the 8-day EMA. So this is the blue line on the monthly. When we filmed our video on Tuesday, it was a big red candle shaping up for the month, but the price action in the last couple of days has created this nice long wick. So I'm going to move it away from the monthly to the 2-year weekly chart. And then I'm going to put my drawings back in so that we can see where we are on in terms of support resistance, that sort of thing. So drawings going back in. Here's the big wedge that we were keeping an eye on through 2017, this black diagonal line, which was offering support on the Russell until last week when it blew through. So we drew this more minor area of support resistance, the pink line in our video on Tuesday, saying this is an area of support. Will the Russell bounce? So now I'm going to move it away from the weekly chart to the daily to see that yes, the Russell did bounce off our pink line, but now it's testing the underside of this diagonal line that was support, now resistance. Futures are positive, so the bounce was this consolidation. Will it go higher and recover this black line? We will see. Or is it just coming in to retest, and will it continue the downtrend? That's why I think today and tomorrow is kind of important. So I am not going to add any new names to my watch list until I see the Russell back up and over the blue 8-day EMA, which I like to use as my guide. So I'm just going to sit tight, watch and wait, and see what happens. So with that, today's video is going to be super short. We will put another one out on Tuesday. It's going to be an interesting couple of days. Fasten your seatbelts. Thanks for watching.